Okay, I'm back to teach some vocabularies in more. Uh, if you want to say what do you like what did you eat, then in more we say ก็นอกดัชชีสึก็นอกดัชชีสึก็นอก you eat like ดัชชีสึ what do you eat something like that. So ก็ means you and นอ means eat. Dutchin, what do you eat? So it's a word that we put in the end of the sentence to make the sentence look nice and polite. So so maybe just only like what did you eat only something like that. And so means all that. It means like I don't know. Okay, the next word um so if you want to say like I ate some rice with water, or like when you pour like the water into the rice, a bowl in a bowl of rice, and you mix together with the water and you eat the rice. So that kind of food, I mean that kind of rice, we say manger de, kuna manger de. I like ate some rice with water, no manger de. Yeah. Okay, some of it, yeah, I don't know, just think, oh my god, um, um, yeah, okay, and the word, boring, like boring, or like boring, or bored, I get bored, then, la, oh no, it means, emo is, toi, cú toi liền, yeah, it might mean that like cú toi, like I am bored, like with something, like I get bored. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, the word come in Hmong we say law. Có law. In Hmong we say you come here, something like that, or you're here, something like that. Có law. You come, or you come, like oh you are here, something like that. Okay, but then law means come. Something else. Nah, I don't know, maybe something else. Okay, the word family in Hmong we say J means the house, like your house, something like that. Gulu J, my house. Gu, my, or Gulu. Gu means like I. Lo means like something that you can see, something that you can touch. Gulu J, my house. Gulu means my. J, house. And then Jening means family. My family. Gu Jening. Neng means like human. Like people, like Neng, people. Gu Jening. Like my people, might mean like that. But J means the house, and like house of people, like that. My family, Gu Jening. Yeah. something else okay one more sentence that say ก็ย่อขอตื่นก็ย่อขอตื่น where do you stay like something like that or where are you ก็ย่อขอตื่น